we believe the children of determination has got this sixth sense which will enable them to understand the technology, and what we are seeing over here is that whatever they experience here, the robots that they see, the circuits that we have shown them how to make it, they are learning faster than most of the normal students.
Our team and we have decided to come here and share our knowledge with the other kids because we believe what we've learned should be shared with other people.
Like robot, I'm Iron Man. I mean, like, it's like the far is flying, and it's like in the movies, like a superhero.
The response that I see in their face, the way they do, is amazing, and what we are expecting from this particular experiment is that their ability to understand things will become faster. So they have that confidence in them, so they respond because there are a lot of sound, a lot of colors is there, so they get like really excited, or like they respond to it very fast.